suddenly he went to cruise and did not come back. So after that, she had developed a suicidal tendency till she met with Grandmaster Chua, who is just behind her photo. And she told her no. He told Dr. Hazel that life is not supposed to be given away. You should, on the contrary, help others. So many others who are having similar problems like yours. So instead of going to depressive situation, you come out of that and try and help people who are having depressive situation. And she overcame that tendency by using some of the protocols that we will be talking about. And she started healing the entire community of spiritual seekers. Basically, the good thing about our modality is that it is inclusive, it is non-sectarian, non-religious, purely spiritual method. So she included everyone in Australia and then started going to the different country, England, Japan, under the master's guidance. Grandmaster Chua was a brilliant, smart, spiritual and very scientific scientist who has actually developed those protocols before he